If you're not continuously watching and evolving and growing, then you're not going to be able to keep pace. We've grown and doubled in size this past year. When we were considering using AccuDose, we were finding ourselves where it was hard to be consistent as we were growing and scaling our locations. Being able to utilize the AccuDose and the Lens Hub now, especially in our Las Vegas locations when I'm monitoring these remotely, we can check in, we can make the dose changes. I'm able to be notified when pumps jump offline or if there's any issues with those pumps that are happening. So from a remote management standpoint, if I'm in Chicago or in Las Vegas, I'm easily able to jump in and check in on those pumps and make sure those things are working correctly. What you don't realize is how much time you waste when you're always chasing the chemical and if you're not being able to track it correctly. Remote monitoring has helped us tremendously. We can check it anywhere we're at as long as we have a web page, a phone, anywhere that has an internet connection. We're able to pull up the app. I can say, all right, this chemical is dosing this, or I can check the cycles, or if I want to pull reports, we're not spending all this time troubleshooting through the wash and hoping that I can find what happened or who messed with what. And we can quickly adapt and get that resolved right away based on the activity tracker, based on the data provided. Lens has allowed us to really level up and get our chemistry on point.